Hello and welcome to a Tuesday edition of the General Stone Daily Market Update. My name is the General Stone. I do work for the phenomenal GOptions.com, the world's finest binary options trading platform. I'm hoping that you're joining me here today to get some good ideas on where to trade, or in fact just to take those opinions that are circling around and get some trades out there to make some quick and dirty profit on a really tough day. Looking at commodity commotion as the title for today, I've decided to dedicate all of my news points to commodities, so let's get into it. Gold futures, they're trading very, very close to a 3-month low. Anyone that watched my video yesterday saw me highlight very strongly the fact that most of the analysts out there really are pointing gold downwards. I don't really agree with what they're analysing, but at the end of the day the price is coming down. Hopes for a Washington deal on this debt crisis is what's driving the price of gold further down. Moving forward, silver futures, something that normally most people don't cover, but we do have silver available on G-Options. People do trade silver regularly, and especially if you're looking at other commodities, silver is a fantastic asset to get to grips with. Again, very much like gold and oil, it does correlate. Silver futures have been tumbling about 2% to a 3-week low, and the US potential sovereign debt default is really the cause of that. Long and short terms, they're still worried about the debt crisis, right? But opposite to gold, they're really feeling that it's going the other way. Looking at oil futures, they're a little bit calmer over the course of today's morning session throughout Asian and European hours. It has been swinging greatly as of late, from anywhere from $102 a barrel all the way up to 110, 112 bucks a barrel and back again. Wholesale gas, natural gas and heating oil have actually been rising ever so slightly in price. Oil has been dropping down ever so slightly today, but I think that we've just turned a corner there, and I think that it really did touch down at some of the low price sections that people were sort of guesstimating it was going to hit. At the end of the day, most analysts that I've been in touch with throughout this morning session tell me that they really feel oil is going to be rising up over the rest of the course of this week, and things like silver, gold, platinum, palladium and the other commodities should really be coming down. Behind me, a little bit more info again on some of the extra special stuff that you can get being an account holder with G-Options. Let's move on to the hot picks for the day to get some ideas where to trade. Highlighting sterling USD. I didn't have a news piece about this today, but very simply there's been a huge amount of positivity regarding the housing market in the UK. One particular point really stands out to me, which is that the average value of a UK home is now up to £275,000 sterling. Not really sure where they get these averages from, whether it's the UK home house price index file or whatever it may be. But at the end of the day, any good positive news concerning residential homes is going to boost an economy in a moment, at least the emotion behind it. That's when you see a fundamental report influence the price. If you're having a look at sterling dollar right now, 30 seconds, ladder options, 10-minute expiry should do you very well. Looking at gold again, he's still there from yesterday. We're facing down hourly, daily, and really, when we get to the weekend, if this trend is still there, I really recommend you take on those touch options for up to 500% payout. Aside from that, my contact info is here at the bottom as usual, even some extra videos on the side. My name's been the General, wishing you the best of luck.